Hello, hello. Let's talk about templates versus PDFs. All right. A template in Remarkable's terminology is found down here in the layers icon. You see the three little lines with the diamond on top, and you can add a new layer in here, and it's per page as well, just so you know. And you can turn it on and off. See the little eye and then the closed eye? That means you can turn it off. So on this layer, I could put, let me just see, let's go pink, thick. We can go hello. Now, if I go back to the layers and I close the little eye, you can see that that word disappears, and I can get it back again by putting the eye back on, and there it is. So, but it's per page, all right? So when I go to the next page, let me just scoot across. Hang on, I've gone too far. You can see that it has got its own set of layers on that page. All right, so a template, according to the Remarkable definition, is what's available over here in the template library. So this is the template library, and it's considered a different document to a PDF. And the reason for that is because this is actually a PNG file. That's what it is. You know that a PNG file is an image file, like a JPEG. It's more sophisticated. It allows you to have a transparent background. I won't go into all that. But just know that it's a these are all PNG files. And if you want to add a template into this space, you need to create a PNG file, and then you need to side load it into Remarkable, because there isn't any way currently to transfer it or upload it through the apps, the Remarkable apps. You can't do it that way. You need a third-party app, or you need to know SSH, and you log in through a terminal window, and while it's connected, and you do all of that, right? Which the majority of us don't know how to do. I've done it, but I prefer to just use a third-party app, so it's just easier. The one thing that will happen is that when there's a software update, what happens is that directory on your Remarkable with all these templates in it is replaced. It's not just added to, it's replaced, which is why your template disappears that you loaded. But if you reload it using exactly the same file name, it will just reassign to any document that you had it assigned to. It remembers that, which is amazing. All right, so in here you can see I've got, so if I'll go back and I'll just show you. So this is this blank page. I selected the blank template. But if I go in here and I actually say, no, I want the legal pad, I made this yellow legal pad, it's really cool. Then you can see that the background template changes. So that's really cool. And then I can go back here into the template library again, and I can say, no, I want the two storyboards. And now you can see there's a square, it's very light. Can you see that? Square up the top there, and the lines, and then the square, and then the lines. You see that? That's the storyboard template. And there's about 80 templates in there. And they come under the different categories at the top. And for me, when I load a template on, I use this icon and I just keep them all at the front. So my agenda template, you can see meeting agenda, and I could just fill it out here. Fill it out here, there. You know, that's what's great about a template. But remember, when an update comes, that template disappears for you to look at, okay? But once you upload that template again, it puts it back into every document. You can see it again in every document. So, all right. Now, let me just put that back to blank. It's a little confusing with all that. I'm just going to go back to blank because that's what it was. And then I'm going to put on my select eraser and get rid of all of that, so that we're back to a template. According to Remarkable definition, is a template from the template library. The other thing to know is when you're uploading custom templates is that when you go on your desktop app or your phone app, you will not see, and you view a file that has a custom template, you will not be able to see that custom template on the phone app or the desktop app, okay? Just so you know that. All right, a PDF file. We know what a PDF file is. It's a portable document format. It's very common. It's very well known around the world. And I suppose what's good to know is that your imported file format is generally a PDF file format. And when you export to someone else, generally it's a PDF format. You can send someone a PNG format or an SVG format, but a lot of people use PDF formats, okay? And again, PDFs do have the layers situation. I just color coded them because it looked cute, but you can see there's 5 layers that Remarkable give you, and you can put different things on each layer on top of a PDF document for sure, as well as a PNG file, which is the templates that they've got. And so what it does when it's sending it off, I just put this in here, it takes a snapshot. That's how it works, right? Whatever all your layers are, it goes, and that's what it sends off as a PDF file. So that's the difference between a PDF file and a PNG file. All right, hope that helps. See you in the next one.